Hello everyone, this is our second video of the first lesson or first video of our course. So we have talked about that if we wanted to get the Google Earth map, the contour map from Google Earth, we need to do several steps, including going to Google Maps and drawing this path, then export it as KMZ. After that we take it to a program called Global Mapper, then extract it, etc. So there's another way that we are going to talk about. Another way using another application of the Autodesk applications. So here we are talking about AutoCAD Civil 3D 2018. Okay, so let's talk about AutoCAD Civil 3D, the version 2012. So first, let us save this. Okay, save it. Let's call it Canada. Okay, and here we go. So let's close this one and begin to this. Okay, let's delete that. Okay, so we go to the AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012 and double click on. I know that most of you might have Windows 10, so I need to make a note here that the AutoCAD Civil 3D, this version 2012, is only compatible with Windows 7. So if you try to install it in Windows 10, you might find problems. Okay, it might stop working. Okay, so you need to keep this in mind. The other thing is, I don't think that you can easily find the links for this application, because if you want it, you need to dig so much. Okay, so if you're able to find it or get it from one of your friends to buy a serial number for it, then that's gonna be cool. So here we have the interface of the AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012. Here we're going to talk about how to get the Google Maps contour map. Okay, so here we have Google Earth. Okay, so we have this place. Let's try it somewhere else. Let's go to Saudi Arabia, and here we go, Saudi Arabia. Here we are. Okay, let's head to Riyadh. Okay, here we go. Let's go to any place here. Okay, suppose we picked up this place. Okay, so as we said before, we need to hit U and N as north. Alright, okay. So the difference between the 2012 and 2018 from AutoCAD is here in Insert tab, you can see something called Google Earth, while in 2018 you cannot find it, because after 2012 versions the AutoCAD and Google Earth didn't work together after. So you can say this is the last version they worked together on. So you can click on Google Earth here in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012 and hit on Google Earth surface. Okay, just Google Earth surface. Hit on it. Then you can click any place in the screen, like here, and hit enter. Well, let's call it this one. Let's call it Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, for instance. Yeah, I know it's a long name, but I would love to give it this name. So the contour, we want to make it from 1 to 5, sorry. And okay, then okay, let's see what we got. And here's our contour map. Very easy. Doesn't need all the steps that we used to import a map to the 2018 version. So basically, this is the beauty of 2012 version. So if you have this version and the 2018 version, you can simply go to this version and import a map from Google Earth After that, you can just save as, just go desktop, call it SA, and hit enter. And then after that, you can close the 2012, okay, and open 2018 again. And so basically the main using of the 2012 version is just to get the contour map easily, okay, more easier than the method we used for 2018. Okay guys, so here we are going to open that file we already saved for SA DWG and hit enter. Okay, close. As you can see, we opened it in the 2018 version. Everything works fine. So now there's something we need to add. When we work on making our road, we need to know the elevations. So contour lines, every contour line has an elevation. So how could I know if this is a sag or crest? It might be sag, might be crest. I don't know. It's elevation. So basically, we go to something called annotate. We hit it and then add labels. We go to the surface and contour multiple. You see this one? Multiple. Click on it. And let's zoom in. Okay, so we need to start from here. Okay. You can do contour maps as long as you want. Okay, and you cross them by like this, like this, like this. Try to draw the lines across every possible contour line. Yeah, this, whatever. Yeah, just like you're playing. Yeah. So here. It's up to you to have the method you see fits perfectly to you. Okay, so you just need to draw the elevations. So here's the last one. Okay, so as you can see, if we zoomed into this, we want to know if this is crest or sag. So this is 632 and this is 631, which means this one is higher than this, which makes it crest. Okay, so this is the use of the elevations, but we need to make some corrections to the contour lines. Like this white line, we need to remove it. It doesn't sound, it doesn't look beautiful on this contour map. So basically, we just zoom in and we hit on one of the numbers and right click, properties. Okay, display contour label line. We hit false. Okay, and we choose for the masking, we choose contour lines only. Okay, so we close this and we do like this, and here it is. It disappeared. You cannot see the contour line that was along our contour map. So if you zoom in, you will see this. Yeah. So we have major contour lines and minor contour lines. We need to make difference to make them a little bigger, so we can, when we zoom in, we can find that we can see the numbers, but they are so small. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we need to go to the settings here, to the surface. Here, you see this? Settings. Yeah, focus. We go to the surface. After surface, we go to the surface styles. Sorry, label styles. Then contour. After that, we go to the existing major labels. and double click. Okay, so for this course, we're going to choose the text height as 20 millimeter, and we're gonna hit OK, and another OK. So as you can see, here it is. If you zoom in, you will find out this is a major one, this is major. You see the green ones, yeah. So what about the minor ones? You want them to be bigger? Okay, hit on this one, existing minor labels. Okay, let's make them 10. And okay. Oh, you see the difference now, yeah? So basically you can control the text height of contour lines elevations, and by this point we are done about how to get the contour map from Google Earth using our first method, which is by saving a path as a KMZ, then using global mapper, and the second method, which is way easier, to have Civil 3D 2012 installed on your PC and to get the Google Earth Maps contour map from it, which is way easier. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you had your benefits, you learned well, and everything is clear. This is Abbas One with you, and I am more than happy to answer questions. Feel free to send me on my Facebook. Thank you, that's all, and see you later.